sunshine. So today I'm going to be unboxing my very first Boxyluxe Boxycharm box. Guess what? I got it right here and I'm so excited. It's literally very large. Like, wow. It's like the size of a stereo. It's so freaking big. Okay, so I'm Boxycharm's #1 fan. If you check out the rest of my videos, you will see, like the rest of my Boxycharm unboxings, I believe Boxycharm is the absolute best subscription box in the entire world. But the difference is between Boxycharm and Boxyluxe, in case you didn't know that this was a thing, is Boxyluxe is $49 every quarter. And in every box, you get at least a $300 value out of every box. This is the second ever box that they sent out. I waited for so long. Like, I was on, when they announced that they were releasing this, I was on the page constantly refreshing, trying to get my email in so I could like get and sign up for Boxyluxe, but the page kept crashing and I couldn't get in. But I was able to get this second one and I'm really excited to see what's inside of it. So I'm gonna go ahead and shut up and we're just gonna see. We're gonna see. So it's $49, that's it. You don't have to worry about shipping. The way they charge it is they charge you for the regular $21 and then they like will take a second charge and they'll charge you an additional $28. I don't know why they don't just charge you the regular like $49, like call in the day. But here's the Boxycharm card and this is gonna have everything that we have inside of it. This quarter's season is this quarter's theme is 'Tis the Season. We got a flamingo with a Santa hat. So freaking cute, but I wanna see what's inside the box. I'm just gonna freak out right now. I wore very basic makeup so we could try some things if there's anything in here that can be tried on. I cannot wait. I know that this box at least has a mini hair straightener. Okay, so I'm gonna take off the foam. Oh, so excited. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead. We're gonna go ahead. I'm just gonna start pulling stuff out. Okay, so the first thing that I'm pulling out is this 100% ceramic mini styling tool. I didn't even know these things were a thing. Okay, I can't wait to see what color I got. But it came in a black case. We got Velcro. I got bright green. Oh my gosh, that's so different. Normally I totally would have been like, yes, send me pink, but this bright green is a mood. Okay, so the handle has a texture on it and then the on-off switch is on the inside right here. And this is from PYT. I don't know how to say the brand name, but it says, it's a girl's world in the matching bright green color. That is so fun. 100% ceramic with a 0.5-inch plate. The next thing that I'm pulling out is from Spongelle. This is Blossom Bliss Body Wash Infused Buffer. It says multi-use. I can't wait to see what scent this is. I've received one of these in my FabFitFun like last year. Ooh, it's a star. But basically this is like a loofah that you can like scrub in your skin and then soap comes out and it's so fun. This one has a slight vanilla scent, which I love. I love the scent of vanilla. I'm not a huge fan of rose, so I'm really glad that this isn't rose scented, but as you can see, it's like the size of my hand, and it's from Spongelle, and it says Beyond Cleansing. The next thing that I'm pulling out is this little bag that says Glam AF, but it feels like there's something inside of there. So, okay, so this is like a pleather material. Like, it's not cotton or anything like that. Oh my gosh, it could be a freaking clutch. That is so cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna see what's inside of here. Ooh, I'm so excited. Okay, it's wrapped in bubble wrap and I'm trying not to full on freak out. Like you guys know that I always do. So it says Crimes of Beauty. Oh my freaking goodness. Oh my gosh, is this wireless? Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is a, okay. Ooh, this is a portable charger. Dual charger connector for Android and iPhone, Type-C adapter, a USB output, USB input, and a USB wire connector. Charge your digital device. So it says dual Android and iPhone charger connector. So yeah, that's so freaking cool. It says Crimes of Beauty. So that's really cool that we got one that's like makeup. Like you can just, and it's really thin too. Like I could just slide this in my back pocket and like call in the day. But it's really cool that it's like makeup and beauty. And it was inside of this little like, oh, and then obviously here's the little connector for you to connect your phone to, but that's really cool. I am so happy so far. Like, I know that wasn't really a beauty like item, but it was like beauty themed. And I was kind of hoping to get stuff like that in this box to not make it just makeup. Like, I don't want it to be lifestyle, but kind of like the clutch and the charger, like that is so cool. The next thing that I'm pulling out is from Wander Beauty, which is a brand that I freaking love. Wanderlust Dusk to Dawn Blush and Highlighter Palette. Look how cute the packaging is. Oh my gosh, it's literally like a sunset. That is so cute. The box is a little damaged, which I'm not that worried about at all. Okay, this is so cute. Can you guys see the clouds and like the sunset? Okay. That was a lot different than I was expecting it to look like. But I love how the packaging like of the exterior kind of follows along on the interior. So we have Tuscan Sunrise, Havana Nights, and City Lights. So this, honestly, I would use as more as a bronzer, so bronzer, blush, highlight. Oh, I almost just dropped it. That would have been terrible. That's cute. It doesn't really have too much of a smell, which I don't mind at all. This is cute. I love the packaging, and like it's been a while since I've received a contour and highlight. I mean, like a blush and highlight palette from Boxycharm, so I'm not mad at this at all. The next thing that I got is from Violet Voss. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this is the Violet Voss Pro eyeshadow palette. I can't wait to see what's inside. Violet Voss is a brand that I never, ever, ever see ever in anything. So it says My Holy Grail. Is this the Holy Grail Boxycharm? Did you really go all out? Oh my gosh. Okay, I need scissors to open this. Okay, I cut it open and we're just gonna like pull it out and we're gonna be a part of this together. I'm having a hard time pulling it out, so maybe we won't be together in all of this because I may have to cut the box open and I really don't want to do that, but I'm starting to get it out. Okay, there's another box, but we can open that box up real easy. Okay, look, it's so pretty. Okay, sorry for all the squeaking that's my chair. It's very squeaky today. So this is the Violet Voss Pro palette, and can we just take a second and enjoy holographic packaging? Okay, enough enjoyment of the holographic packaging. Oh my goodness gracious. Look at this. Okay, first we got a big mirror. Like I can look back into this mirror and like look back at my past mistakes and everything like that. But this palette is absolutely gorgeous. It doesn't have any scent, which I'm like not mad at all. But oh my gosh, I like am flipping out. I can't wait to see. Okay, I really want to, ooh, I don't know. Do I want to swatch or do I want to get into the rest of the box? Okay, maybe we'll save swatching for like the end of the video because like I don't want to make this video too long. I want just all to enjoy it because I know a lot of us are super busy this time of year. But just take a second and look how absolutely stunning this is. It's so freaking pretty. The next thing that I have pulled out is from Luxy. I don't know how to pronounce it very well. But this is a whole complete face brush set. We have a round top blender, a tapered highlighting brush, a Pro Precision tapered blending, eye shading, flat definer, brow and lash spoolie, and a lip brush in this box. Holy cow. Also mood. That's so cute. That is so cute because you could totally keep your brushes in here. Actually, I don't know if that would work very effectively, but it was an idea. Okay, so here are all the brushes that's in this box. Honestly, that's so freaking amazing. Oh my gosh, wow. Like, I've only ever received any type of like brush set like this in my FabFitFun, so I'm really shocked that like Boxycharm or Boxyluxe or Boxyluxe went out and just went that hard already. We still have a couple more items in here. Next thing that I'm pulling out, oh, it's from Tarte, one of my favorite high-end brands. This is the Tarte Tardiest Shimmering Lip Paint in Flaming Hot. Ooh, I wonder if it's gonna be bright red. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Okay, good. I'm so glad that I didn't wear anything on my lips because we can try this beautiful lip gloss out. Look how pretty my lips are. Oh my goodness. This is a really, really pretty color. It's got, okay, so it's like a pink base and there's glitter in it, but the glitter is this royal, gorgeous, freaking royal purple. I don't know if you guys will be able to pick that up. I want you guys to see the glitter more. But isn't that gorgeous? It's so pretty. And I love the Tarte lip glosses because they're not really sticky and they do have like decent staying power for it being a lip gloss. This color is absolutely freaking gorgeous. The next thing that I'm pulling out is Elmis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. Anti-wrinkle day cream. Okay, I'm glad that they didn't just send us all skincare. But it was nice to see at least one skincare item in here. There's one more thing left. I don't know what it is yet. But that's a really nice, that's a full size. Like everything in here is full size, which is like amazing. It's really nice that they sent us like an anti-wrinkle cream. That's really, really nice. I've never tried it before. I've never heard of this brand before, but hopefully it does something. Like, I guess I'll find out in a couple years. But yeah, that's a decent Like this, it's filled to the brim. This isn't like a half-filled sample or anything like that. So I'm glad that this isn't all the skincare, but I'm glad that there is at least one skincare item in here. The last thing that I'm pulling out is from Lorac Los Angeles. This is the Royal Treatment Primer and Mascara Duo. So one side, ooh, that's so fun. Oh my gosh, that's so fun. Literally the primer is like legit. It's blue, like okay, I've seen blue mascara, but I've never seen blue primer. And then here we have the mascara itself. I've never tried mascara or anything from Lorac, but I have mascara on. I put foundation, some highlighter, a little bit of blush, and I like full on was like prepared to try out some stuff, but I didn't think to not put on mascara, did I? Okay, so I'm gonna go over everything that we got in this box, and look how freaking long this list is. But if you want a makeup tutorial or like a review of anything in this box, let me know in the comment section down below. Okay, the first thing that we have is this Luxie Rose Gold Complete Face Brush Set. Market value is $65. I'm gonna go through and try and show you guys everything that I got and like pull it out and show you guys, but it may take a little bit. The next thing is this Tarte Glitter Lip Paint, market value $20. Next, we have the Violet Loss Pro HG palette. Market value is $45. The next thing in here is a Spongel Body Wash Infused Buffer. Market value is $20. The Elmis Pro Collagen Marine Cream, $89. Wonder Beauty Dust to Dawn Blush and Highlight Palette. Market value $26. The Lorac Royal Treatment Mascara, market value is $24. The Mini Hair Straightener, market value is $75. $75 for this thing is honestly absolutely so freaking crazy, but I can't wait to like try it out and see if it works. And then the Crimes of Beauty Wristlet and Portable Charger, which I freaking love. Seeing that in here was absolutely amazing. Market value is $22. So I don't know what all of this adds up to be. Like, I don't know how much the value of everything inside this box is, but I have to say I'm so impressed with this box. Like, I'm glad that there was like a skincare item in here, because Boxycharm never sends out like skincare, and they don't really send out a lot of hair care, but we got that. And I love that we got like a lifestyle item that was like beauty themed. Like, I thought that was really, really amazing. I would have to say that I'm so freaking excited to try out the Violet Voss palette. I'm really happy getting here with everything in here. There isn't anything in here that I'm like disappointed or like about. Like, I'm so happy with this box. That is everything that I got in my Boxyluxe box. I can't wait to hear what you guys think in the comment section down below. Do you like Boxycharm better? Do you like Boxyluxe? What did you think of this box? I can't wait to talk to you guys about this, and let me know if you want a makeup tutorial on anything. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.